Hey guys, I'm Aditi. Welcome back to my channel, The Sublime U. So of late there is a concept trending in the market of magnetic eyelashes, which people tend to think that it is going to be more convenient and more hassle-free than the previous stick-on eyelashes. So to check that out, I have purchased a pair of magnetic eyelashes from Club Factory, which I'm going to try, and also I'm going to review them. I'm going to tell you all the good and bad things about it. So let's get started. So before making this purchase, I was actually going through all the options that are available in Club Factory of this magnetic eyelashes, and I found three kinds of magnetic eyelashes. One is with a single magnetic piece at the middle, and the another one is with two pieces of magnet at the two ends of the lashes, and the third one is the one which I purchased, that is having three pieces of magnet, two at the two ends and one pair at the center. I have actually taken a screen recording to show that I had actually ordered for the one which had three sets of magnets at 3 points of the set of lashes, but the one which I have received is the regular one with two sets of magnets at the two ends of the lashes, and there is no magnet in the center. So basically Club Factory has kept the three magnet picture just for showbiz purpose, but otherwise they actually do not have the three magnet eyelashes, and even if you make a purchase against that, they are going to send you the regular one only, which has only two sets of magnets. So that is something very disappointing. But anyways, I have the lashes which I'm going to show you right now. So this is how the case looks like, and I'm going to open it, and these are the lashes. So you can see that it has two magnets and two at two ends, and the white plate against which these lashes are attached is also magnetic, so you can reuse it as many number of times and just come back and stick it here. Like, it is very easily reusable and storable. Also, the lashes that they had sent me, these are like very natural kind of lashes. So the quality of these magnets are a bit too good, because with these magnetic eyelashes I'm neither being able to use the false eyelash tweezers nor the eyelash curlers, because if I'm trying to use any of these, then these are made of steel which is getting attached to the magnets in the lashes, and that is how it is very much problematic. So basically I'm not being able to use any kind of eyelash tools. So this is one recommended technique of applying false magnetic eyelashes, and I have tried it personally and this is not working, because when I'm holding the magnetic eyelashes with the applicator, then the eyelash is sticking more firmly to the applicator than to the other lash, and so that way it is not convenient. So basically the only way I can apply these lashes is with my hands, which is the toughest thing on earth. It is very inconvenient. Like, applying a stick-on eyelash is much easier, trust me. So anyways, I will show you how to apply them. We need to stick one pair of magnets at a time. If we stick two together, then it is never going to be manageable. So this is my first attempt, which turned out to be a failure because I happened to attach the magnets somewhere in the mid-length of my natural eyelashes. But still, I did not trim this part of the video because I wanted you guys to see the mistakes as well. After that, I took another attempt where I was very particular to make sure that I stick the magnets the closest possible to the upper waterline or the natural lash line, as close as possible, and so it takes the exact curve of the natural lashes. Here I did not go very close to the inner corner of the eye because I do not have a lot of eyelashes there, and so if I try to stick the magnets over there, it might fall off. See how beautifully the lashes blended. So as I've told you that these these are a pair of very natural looking eyelashes, so this does not at all give a dramatic look, and you can see that it has not made a lot of difference. It's just that a little bit of extra lashes are visible, and this is how magnetic eyelashes should actually be. That is not at all dramatic, very natural, because when you stick on lashes, then you just stick on one set, but when you apply magnetic lashes, then you attach two sets. So basically it is already two layers of lashes and total three, including your natural lashes. So the magnetic lashes should be very natural. Always go for a pair of natural eyelashes and not the dramatic ones, because they will ultimately end up looking over dramatic. So anyways, I have no complaints about the quality. The quality is very nice. So basically it's a process of trial and error until you are able to fix the lashes the closest possible to your upper waterline. So that is quite a task. Like attaching a pair of magnetic eyelashes is will be easy once you master the technique. Basically, when you stick on lashes, you stick them to your lid, but when you attach magnetic lashes, you attach them to your natural eyelashes, and so that somehow pulls down your lash line. But anyways, I don't have any kind of visual obstruction while I'm wearing these lashes. And also, like, even after so many trials and errors and wearing and opening them so many times, not even a single eyelash has come off. So that is really appreciable. Coming back to the quality again, which I have already praised earlier. So all the cons that I have mentioned in this video are not exactly about the Club Factory eyelashes, but it is applicable in any and every magnetic eyelashes from whichever brand you purchase. That is, these cons are with respect to the concept of magnetic eyelashes and not to the brand from which you are purchasing. So that is it for today, guys. Bye bye.